Petpooja outlet types. As you know, there are multiple types of F&B service businesses operating today. And all these different types of business have different requirements. As Petpooja caters to almost majority of these types, we have created our own outlet names and categories. So this video will explain you what are the outlet types from Petpooja's perspective and how can it be interlinked together. So the primary outlet type is of an outlet, which is a shop or a restaurant or a kiosk, etc. Outlets can be one or more than one. Then the second outlet type is of a central kitchen, which transports the raw materials to multiple outlets, and the central kitchens can also be one or more than one. Outlets are the places from where operations are practiced. In central kitchen, we'll be only doing the activity of supply chain management and raw material management. Now these two outlets can be interlinked in multiple methods, which are completely customizable by you. For example, outlet A can be linked with Cloud Kitchen A, and Cloud Kitchen B can be interlinked with 4 other outlets. N number of permutations and combinations are possible as per your need. Now to manage multiple connections of outlets and central kitchens, a head office can be established, which is our third outlet type. Now this head office will be an office overlooking a particular region or a set of outlets under your brand. Head office has rights to make necessary changes of all the outlets nested under it, so it becomes easy to manage them. So these head offices can also be interlinked with multiple outlets. So a pair of outlet and central kitchen can be governed by one head office, and you can link as per your wish to any head office you want. Now from a macro perspective, zones can be established for multiple arrangements like these. So if we take example of India, and a QSR brand which operates throughout India can create 4 zones: north, south, east, west. If they want, they can also create 8 zones. It's as per their wish. These zones can give you zone-wise statistics, and HOs along with the pair of outlets nested under it can be nested under these zones. Let us take a recap. So outlet 1 to infinity, central kitchen 1 to infinity is also possible, HO1 to infinity is also possible. Interlinks among all these 3 can be done with complete flexibility. Micro bundles like these are also possible from 1 to infinity. All these can be nested under a brand and tagged by zones. To know more about these outlet types and how can they be interlinked with Petpooja's perspective on outlets, please watch the general F&B outlet type video. Link is mentioned in the description. Thank you.